Wondering if you'll owe taxes on your recent jackpot winnings? Let's look at the tax consequences of gambling wins and losses. The IRS expects you to report all gambling winnings and losses on your tax return. With the rise of online betting sites, the frequency and amount of money involved in betting have increased. Luckily, if you itemize deductions on Schedule A, you can deduct your gambling losses, but there's a limit. Your deduction cannot exceed your gambling winnings. So, do casinos report your winnings to the IRS? In some cases, the gaming organization must report your win to the IRS using Form W-2G. You should receive all of your W-2Gs by January 31st of each year. Typically, you'll receive a W-2G when you win $1,200 or more on slot machines or bingo, $1,500 or more on Keno jackpots, more than $5,000 from poker tournaments, or $600 or more from other games if your payout is at least 300 times your wager. Let's break down your W-2G form. The most important information can be found in boxes 1, 4, 15, and 17. Box 1 reports your taxable gambling winnings. Box 4 reports the federal income taxes withheld. And boxes 15 and 17 report the amount of state and local income taxes withheld. You'll need to report the amount in box 1, plus any other gambling winnings not reported on a W-2G on the gambling line of Schedule 1 when you file your taxes. Any winnings withheld for federal taxes can be reported in the Payment section of your Form 1040. But what if taxes weren't withheld from your winnings? Reporting and withholding are two separate requirements. Receiving a W-2G doesn't mean taxes were automatically withheld from your winnings. Withholding is only necessary on certain net winnings of $5,000 or more. Your net winnings equal your payout, minus your initial wager. If a gaming facility does withhold taxes, it will do so at a rate of 24%. And if you don't provide your Social Security number, the required withholding may apply to even lower winning amounts. Ready to file your taxes? TurboTax asks you simple questions and guides you through the process of reporting your gains and losses. Visit TurboTax.com for more info to help you file your taxes with confidence.